What's going on YouTube? Crypto Matrix here, coming at you another cryptocurrency stream. And for those of you who don't know me, I'm a professional leverage trader and instructor, and I make my living trading cryptocurrency with some serious efficiency. If you want to make better gains, head right over to the student program, get signed up. Links are below and above. And for those of you who want the little additive edge in the trade field, you've got to follow me on my socials. For instance, I change the color of my eyes, which way I'm leaning in the market that day, and that can really help you guys get some better entries and exits. If you want to know more about my life, guys, follow me on Instagram. Just some amazing times in the cryptocurrency space. I wanted to talk about several different coins today, including Luna, Phantom, and Electroneum. Some amazing projects, some amazing profits to be had, guys. If you're not subscribed yet, definitely smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, and I'm going to dive right into the price action. Those of you who want specific coin requests, you've got to become a member. But guys, I wanted to start out with Luna here, just an amazing project, and we're actually nearing around $50, which is a really optimal buy point, I believe, right around the $40 to $50 range. Some excellent opportunities here. We had a nice symmetrical triangle here, which broke down to the downside. For instance, you took that measurement from the back here to the point of breakout, and guys, we're basically hitting that like right now. We're basically right at it. Little bit above it, but guys, you get the idea. I think we're getting a little bit of bounce off of a major resistance, well, what is now a support. Okay, so we'll get a long downtrod to the right here, where we'll kind of be retesting the 20 on the 1 hour minimally, and hopefully get a retest of the 55, get a break of that, retesting of the 100. You get the idea, guys, right into the 200 and get a flipping of those major EMAs and start to get a little bit bullish favor here. Now, if you zoom out, remember, when in doubt, zoom out, guys. You can look at the rest of the cycles here, and it's very nice chaining opportunities, even with a nice little W formation here. Okay, very clear point of what was resistance. Nice little break up right there. Nice little head and shoulders right here. Very clear point of support, guys. This was very textbook stuff on Luna. Let me know in the comments if you have been making some really good trades over the last several weeks, because they were very textbook, guys. And look right here, we're running into some major supports right here. I think we're going to hold it. Just make sure your bags are packed and getting ready to go here. If you haven't bought more coin, now would definitely be a good time to think about it. Alright guys, let's move right over to Phantom here. Just another amazing project with some amazing potential gains here. Now, the reality is, on the 4 hour, guys, we have gotten a total flipping of the EMAs right here. Definitely something we had to consider in, and guys, we've been shorting this one ever since. Definitely a very clear as day head and shoulders pattern right here. Again, a very clear point of support, and then the breakdown right out of it, guys. And then I would be using wedge theory for these moments, especially now. But what came right out of that was another W formation, or a double bottom. Okay, basically the same thing, but because we're in between major supports and resistances, I'd call it a W and not a double bottom, because the bottom was actually all the way down here. Okay, so to be honest, I think we're just going to play this as wedge theory. For instance, let's go down to the smaller time frames. Let's go to at least the 30 and just see what we're working with here. Now again, playing wedge theory like this. Okay, a couple moments of oversold territory right here. And I would actually just run this one right through, okay, with another moment of overbought territory. Remember, crypto is not always going to avail us perfect patterns, but we want to try to get as much accurate measurements as we can. But we want to also get as many touches on the price action candle wicks as we can. So for instance, 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, 4 touch, 5 touch. You guys get the idea. Lots of touches here. A solidified pattern of resistances and support. Now, what I want you guys to just do in simplicity is watch this breaking of the resistance right here, which coincides right with the 100. We get that break, we will ride it minimally at least to 200, and then use wedge theory for your target measurement, whichever way we break. Okay, so say like we break to the upside here. Target projection could easily be around 2.35. We break down, easily retesting some of those major supports at around, 1.71. Okay guys, that's exactly where I'd be looking at for this price action target. And I think Phantom is going to have some really good things coming its way, guys. I try to not divulge too much on the news and just try to focus on the technicals. But guys, I really do think this project has some amazing favor headed its way. And as long as we can begin to put in a higher high, like for instance, we zoom back here, we didn't quite put in a higher high here. We had some higher wicks back, in October. Okay, so we need to put in a new higher high, and I think as the super cycle continues to play out, we're going to start to see that actually happen. An amazing project, guys. Do not sleep on this one. let's talk about Electroneum quick. Now this is probably the most popular coin on my channel by far. And guys, there's a lot of good reasons for it. There's a lot of potential gains here. So let's just zoom in here. We're on the 4 hour. And we're getting that big runoff that I was saying here. We got that runoff right there, that breakdown of the ascending wedge. Guys, what did I say? We're probably going to get a breakdown right here. There it is. And we definitely have some very clear stuff playing out right here. So a nice clear channel, brief moment of overbought territory. Same thing at the bottom here. Brief moment of oversold. Okay, I would just play this like a wedge for now, guys. And I know it kind of does look like an ascending triangle. For instance, if this resistance was just a little cleaner right here, then yes, we have an ascending triangle, guys. So kind of what I'm looking at here is we're touching a lot of major support here. We're right along the trend. We're kind of riding trend right now. Notice the volume is a little, it's kind of low, all right? Like we have green bars coming in, but the volume moving average, which spiked up, there's just not a lot of volume within. So that means a sideways motion. Now what I'm kind of hoping for would be a inverse Bart-Simpson, okay? I would really like to see that, but we need the volume to come in right here to make that move. For instance, to have barbell theory play out properly. Okay, so barbell theory, the widening, the consolidation, the widening. We should get this move before the 30th, guys. Just get your bags ready. Make sure that you're playing the indications in combination with volume so you can see which way the market's moving the immediate, and remember to cross the road from bigger time frames to smaller time frames for confirmation, and then back up for another confirmation so you make sure you don't miss anything. And that's exactly how I'd be playing Electroneum, guys. An amazing, amazing project, and for those of you who've just heard of it, once we can actually retest reverse pressure and we kind of keep creeping down this line right here, we're going to get the break right here and then a good run up, guys. That's what I think will happen. We'll retest a lot of these resistances very quickly, and then before you know it, some amazing gains to be had. I'm not willing to miss that kind of stuff. So guys, my honest suggestion to you is to be buying during this massive dip that we've had. We've had a big runoff from 4 cents. We're now at 0.006. Okay, this is a big runoff. This is basically the times to buy again. Remember, the last time that I was buying, it was in these kind of times. When the fear is high is when you need to be buying, guys. It is that simple. And again, same theories. We need to start to walk up. So from here to there, and now starting to walk up. Quite simply, guys, that's exactly what I'm looking at for Electroneum. And that is all the time I have for today, guys. Just incredible times in the cryptocurrency space. The Crypto Matrix program is just going so well. The students are on fire. I cannot express enough, guys. If you aren't making, millions a year, you owe it to yourself to join this program and learn how to trade and extrapolate your wealth the right way. I've had so many students from trade schools, which I've spent, $50,000 to $100,000 and not able to replicate. And then weeks into my program are making satisfying trades, okay? Good profit margin, good percents. Guys, you can't ask for any more. An expedited process of my 15 years given to you guys in 6 months to a year. It doesn't get any better than that. Just incredible times, guys. And make sure to use all of my links, guys. I'm partnered with all of these exchanges. You get better bonuses when trading, signing up under my links than other people's, just straight up. So guys, the message is always the same. If you don't come from a rich family must come from you. I am Crypto Matrix. I'll catch you guys later.